Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Studio Pro and getting your phone ready. Plug in or charge above 50% so firmware updates won't fail. Open the Beats app and grant Bluetooth and location access because the app needs them to detect the headset. Then press and hold the Power/Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. You'll see a white LED pulse. Once the phone shows the Studio Pro, tap to pair and allow any firmware prompts to begin. This is the only safe way to proceed. Once paired and updated, you enable spatial audio features inside the app. Go to Settings in the Beats app and find Audio or Spatial Audio. Make sure firmware finished before toggling options. Choose Dolby Atmos or Spatial Audio with head tracking depending on content support. If you're on iOS, also check Control Center under Now Playing for Spatial Audio toggle and set head tracking to automatic if desired. This ensures content is rendered correctly and your head movements map to the soundstage. You finish by verifying spatial imaging with an Atmos-enabled song or the app's demo track. Move your head to confirm the sound field shifts. If it doesn't, first repair the headset, restart the phone, and retry. A factory reset of the Studio Pro often clears persistent bugs. Hold the power and volume down buttons as instructed. Finally, make sure your OS output is set to the headset and disable conflicting audio enhancements. This avoids double processing that destroys the 3D effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.